kids, welcome to my channel. Hi Edu. So today we'll do exercise for chapter 5 from class 3rd English Gulmohar ICSE book. So as you know story we have already done. Story मैंने last video में cover कर ली है. अब हम करेंगे exercise. So let's begin with the exercise. Exercise A. Complete these sentences in your own words. Okay, whatever the question is, you have to complete. एक sentence दी हुई है जिसको आपको complete करना है in your own words. जैसे भी आप आंसर कर सकते हो, just do it. The main thing is you should understand the concept क्या है question का. Okay. So complete these sentences in your own words. First one, the king felt sorry for the bird because. Why the king felt sorry for the bird? हमने story में क्या पढ़ा था? The king felt sorry for the bird because उसको लग रहा था कि मैं एक bird को एक पिंजरे में कैद करके रखा हूँ. It is not the right thing to do. At last उसको realize हो गई ये बात कि ये जो मैं कर रहा हूँ किसी पंछी को किसी bird को मैं पैक करके पिंजरे में सिर्फ अपने लिए रख रहा हूँ. दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग टू डू. उसकी भी तो कोई लाइफ होती होगी. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जब किंग के माइंड में आई तो फिर उसको ही रियलाइज दैट ही इज डूइंग रॉन्ग. तभी ही फेल्ट सॉरी. सो लेट्स सी द आंसर ऑन द फर्स्ट पेज पे आप आ जाइए. देन मूव टू द सेकेंड स्टैंजा. फर्स्ट पेज सेकेंड स्टैंजा. As the time passed, the king began to feel sorry for the bird. Like why? It is not the right thing, he thought, to hold a bird in a cage. क्या मैंने बताया कि king realized that it is not the right thing to hold a bird in a cage. अपने खुशी के लिए किसी bird को cage में रखना is not the right thing. So this made him feel sorry. Okay. The king felt sorry for the bird because he thought to hold a bird in a cage is not a right thing to do. Okay. Now we'll do the second one. The monkey wanted to show the bird where to find food because why he wanted to help the bird? Because he thought the bird is new to the place. He asked ना monkey ने starting में पूछा Are you new to this place? So let me show you the place from where you can get the best food. इसलिए monkey tried to help the bird. ठीक. तो मंकी ने सोचा नहीं आई है जंगल के बारे में बर्ड को कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है तो व्हाई नॉट हेल्प हर. तो उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए बिकॉज ही थॉट शी इज न्यू टू हर प्लेस सो इन ऑर्डर टू हेल्प हर आउट मंकी वांटेड टू शो हर द बेस्ट प्लेसेस टू फीड. ओके. द मंकी वांटेड टू शो द बर्ड वेयर टू फाइंड फूड बिकॉज ही थॉट द गोल्डन बर्ड इज न्यू टू द जंगल. शी हैड नो आइडिया अबाउट दिस जंगल. So he should help her out. So in order to help the golden bird, he wanted him to find the best places where she can get the food. Okay. So इसका आंसर you'll get on the second page पे आप आ जाओ book के second page पे it's written. I am the golden bird. Once the monkey asked, who are you? I can see you new to the jungle. See, I told you na when monkey find out that the bird is new to the jungle, she don't know anything about the jungle. तो why not help her? तो उसकी help करने के लिए he just asked her कि should I show you a new places where you can get the best food. तो उसकी help करने के लिए first reason she was new to the jungle. Second he wanted to help her. So this is the answer. Because he thought as the bird is new to the jungle, then he should show her the best places to feed. Okay. Third one, the bird said that the snake could not. What the bird said? Bird said that the snake could not. What do you saying? तो क्या कहा बर्ड ने कि दैट इज जो स्नेक है हाउ कैन ही हेल्प मी. क्योंकि जब स्नेक ने कहा ओके आई शो यू द जंगल, स्नेक ने कहा था ना कि मैं जंगल दिखाऊंगा. तो बर्ड ने कहा अरे तुम क्या जंगल दिखाओगे, हाउ कैन यू टीच मी, हाउ अ स्नेक कैन टीच मी. ये कहा ना. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग द बर्ड सेड द स्नेक कुड नॉट टीच हर. ओके. इट्स मेंशन इसी सेकेंड पेज में यू कम where there is conversation between the snake and the bird. When snake says, come let me show you the jungle. Then she said, the bird, what can a snake teach me? And you have a hissing voice. Do you know I sing beautifully? So how rude she was. She said, what a snake could teach me. So the bird said that the snake could not teach her about the jungle. वो जंगल के बारे में मुझे क्या बताएगा, वो मुझे नहीं बता सकता. Okay. Fourth one, no one could see the chameleon because he used to change color as per the surrounding. जैसा surrounding होता था वैसा वो color change कर लेता था. Okay. Because he used to change this color. It's mentioned in the second page पे answer is given. Chameleon, he was same color as the tree trunk because he could change the color as per the surrounding, and he was same color as the tree trunk. जैसा tree trunk था same उसी color का chameleon था, इसलिए उसको कोई notice नहीं कर पाता था. Okay. Now the fifth one, the three animals helped the bird by. अब वो तीनों animal ने bird की कैसे help की? We'll move to the third page of the story. Okay. Third page पे you come and come to the third stanza. Okay, where it's written. At the moment, the golden bird felt something like a rope pulling her into some bushes. It was the snake. तो snake ने कैसे help की? आपको बताना है ना कि all the three animals how did they help the bird? Bird को कैसे तीनों ने मिलकर help की? तो snake जो था he pulled her into some bushes. Okay, so what did snake did for her? He pulled the bird into a bushes. Then the long hairy arm lifted her up a tree. Long hairy arm किसका था? Monkey का था. तो what did monkey did? He lifted her up a tree. तो monkey lifted her up a tree. Then the third chameleon, what he did? Then whispered, "Don't move," whispered the chameleon and pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. So how did chameleon help? He told her, he whispered, "Don't move," and then he pushed her into the center of large yellow flower के center में push कर लिया. So how the three of them helped? First snake pulled her into some bushes. Bushes के अंदर snake ने उसे खींच लिया. Then once she is inside the bushes, the monkey lifted her up a tree के ऊपर monkey ने उसको बिठा दिया. And then how did chameleon? Chameleon told her not to whisper, and then chameleon pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. Okay, so this is how all the three of them helped her from eagle. Okay, so ऐसे इन तीनों ने help की bird की. Now next question B. So now we'll do the exercise B. Answer these questions. You just have to answer. The king began to feel sorry for the bird. What did he do? Why the king felt sorry for the bird? ऐसा उसने क्या कर दिया था? What did he do? He hold the bird into a cage. वो bird को एक cage में बंद कर रखा था, which was not the right thing to do. That's why he felt sorry. Second one, do as you like, said the monkey. What make the monkey say this? Monkey ने क्यों last में कहा? Okay, do as you like. जैसा मन करे तुम वैसा करो. I don't care. तुम्हें जो करना है करो. क्यों? Because जब monkey उसकी help कर रहा था golden bird की, आपने story में सुना होगा, मैंने बताया था, जब monkey उसकी help करने को आया था कि come I'll show you the best places to feed, तो bird ने कहा monkey क्या दिखाएगा? You have such a funny face. तो she mocked that monkey. हाँ, वो monkey का मजाक उड़ाई, हाँ, उसकी insult की. So फिर उसकी बात भी नहीं सुन रही थी और बहुत rude और attitude behavior था उसका. इसलिए monkey ने कहा okay, do whatever you feel like. I don't care. Do as you like. So see, come to page second of the story. Second page पे आओ. Then stanza third stanza में when a bird says, "What can a monkey teach me? And you have such a funny face." ये जो दो sentences bird ने बोली, it literally hurt the monkey. Monkey को बहुत hurt की कि मैं इसकी help कर रहा हूँ. She is like, how can a monkey teach me? You have such a funny face. ये मेरे face को funny कह रही है, मैं इसको help करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ तो मुझसे rude behavior हो रहा है. तो because of bird rude behavior towards monkey, and as she mocked at her that he has a funny face, he cannot teach me, इस वजह से monkey ने at last said, "Do as you like." So it's written in the third stanza. "What a monkey can teach me," replied the bird, "and you have such a funny face. Have you seen my beautiful beak?" she added. Then monkey got irritated and he said, "Do as you like." उसने कहा, "You have a funny face and a monkey can't teach me anything. I have a beautiful beak." And adding all these things made monkey एंग्री एंड देन एट लास्ट ही सेड डू एज यू लाइक. ठीक, तो मंकी को बुरी लग गई ये बात और फिर उसने कहा जो करना है वो करो. देन द थर्ड वन, नो सेड द बर्ड टू द स्नेक. व्हाट हैड द स्नेक जस्ट सेड टू हर. ऐसा स्नेक ने क्या बोला जिसके लिए बर्ड ने नो कर दिया. स्नेक आस्क्ड हर, टोल्ड हर कि एज यू आर न्यू टू द प्लेस कम आई शो यू द जंगल. मैं तुम्हें जंगल दिखाता हूँ. बट द बर्ड सेज नो, अ स्नेक कैन नॉट टीच मी एनीथिंग. ओके, तो यहाँ पे इट्स रिटन I am the gold mare, come let me show you the jungle. See, it's written in the second page when there is conversation between the snake and the bird. So snake asked her, okay, let me show you the jungle. Then the bird said, no, how can a snake teach me? So to this sentence, bird said no. Okay. Fourth one, sorry. Suddenly the golden bird saw a large eagle. What did the monkey, the snake and the chameleon do? So this answer is same as the first exercise का fifth वाला जो answer था. The three animals help the bird by. कैसे help की उन तीनों animals ने मिलके bird की. तो same will be the answer for this one also. Answer 4 of exercise B. What did the monkey, the snake and the chameleon do? मैंने आपको बताया क्या किया था. Snake pulled her into the bushes, pulled the golden bird into the bushes. Then the monkey lifted her up a tree, tree के ऊपर बिठा दिया. And then chameleon told her not to whisper, and then he pushed her into the center of a large yellow flower. Okay, and hence by doing this they saved her life from that dangerous eagle. So uski life save kar li. And finally they saved bird life. The eagle did not see her. How did this happen? Why the eagle did not see her? क्यों? क्योंकि snake ने, because the monkey, snake, chameleon, all of them helped the bird so nicely that the eagle did not notice her. Because snake जो था उसको bushes के पीछे जो bird थी golden bird bushes के पीछे ला दिया. And then monkey ने उसको tree के ऊपर रख दिया. And then what the chameleon did? Chameleon just pushed her inside in center of the large yellow flower के बीच में उसको छिपा दिया जो large yellow flower था. And this is the reason why the eagle did not see her. So because all of them, all the three animals helped her and hide her inside the large yellow flower, that's why the eagle did not notice her. Okay, उसको flower के बीचों बीच छुपा दिया सबने मिलकर और इसलिए ईगल ने उस छोटे से बर्ड को नोटिस नहीं किया. How can I thank you all? How did the bird thank the monkey, the snake and the chameleon? कैसे thank किया लास्ट में बर्ड ने? By singing a song for them as per their demand. जब when bird asked कि how can I help you as you all saved my life? How can I help you now? How can I thank you? तो सारे एनिमल ने बड़े ही काइंडली दे सेड ओके जस्ट सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर मी. तो एट लास्ट in order to thank them, bird sang a beautiful song for them. Okay, so she sang a song for them. So here is the end of the exercise. Exercise A, exercise B, we did everything. Okay, so now it's time for you to go through the story, go through the exercises. Any problem, any confusion, just ask me. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe.